What's going on, Bee Risers? Hope you guys are doing well. And we're out for a walk this morning. It's a little bit chilly, but it's just so beautiful. Take a look at the view. We got the river in the background and some animal tracks down below. Walking on some ice here, so I've got to be careful. But I thought I would take you out and talk about colds and flus. It's cold and flu season, winter time. And you'll often hear, dress up, you're gonna catch a cold. If you don't, you're gonna catch a cold. But what we wanna look at in preventing colds and flus, viruses, any sort of bacterial infections is looking at our immune system. And our immune system is actually the lymphatic system. And so that is actually the 80% of the fluid in our body. And just 20% is our blood. So we really want to focus on that lymphatic system and getting the lymphatic system moving, pumping, getting the lymphatic system clean. And that's what the medical establishment needs to focus on. But a lot of times they'll look at just treating, right? And that's where we see a lot of the flu vaccines. Check out this little hut here. But we want to look at our immune system. When we're sick, if we have any bacteria in our body or viruses, we want to make sure that we're focusing on that lymphatic system, which is going to bring up our immune system. So we want to make sure that it is clean. And in order to clean it, we want to make sure that we're eating a lot of fiber-rich foods, high vitamin C rich foods, and foods that are going to keep our body cleansed. And that's going to be eating even lots of herbs too, which is going to help detoxify our body. And it's also not eating foods that are going to bring in bacteria and mucus, right? So you guys know I talk a lot about dairy, how dairy is one of the most mucus forming foods. If we want to see those colds and flus gone, we really want to bring in high vitamin C rich foods, right? That are going to oxygenate the body. So that's going to be high fiber, high water content foods and alkaline foods, astringent foods that are going to take out this mucus, take out this congestion and bacteria. So we really want to start bringing in some lemons, oranges. That's going to really up our vitamin C, cleanse the body, and detoxify our organs of elimination, such as our skin, our bowels, our airways, right? So we have our eliminative channels that we want to start opening up to start taking out this mucus. Getting outside, getting some fresh oxygen too, is going to help detoxify the body. So we want to make sure that we are getting enough sleep. We're drinking a lot of lemon water, a lot of vitamin C rich, eating a lot of vitamin C rich foods, water content, fiber, antioxidants. We're getting some sunshine, we're getting some fresh oxygen outdoors. We're getting our lymphatic system moving by some light exercise, such as rebounding or walking. And when we do that, our lymphatic system is going to be functioning well. Our river is going to be nice and flowing, and that's what we want. We want to think of that lymphatic system as a river, and to get that river moving, to get it pumping, to clean it daily. And if you just watch my other videos on how we can start doing that, take a look at mucusless foods, what I eat to heal, to eliminate cysts, to eliminate acne, to eliminate constipation. If we're constipated in our bowels, then we're systematically constipated. So we want to start opening up all of our channels of elimination. And when we do that, our lymphatic system is going to be running smoothly. Alright you guys, just a short video today to help you out to eliminate all those bacteria and viruses. When you do that, we'll all be rising.